Welcome to COMC Tutorials. Adding store credit is one of the beginning steps to your COMC collecting journey. Underneath your available credit, there is a Purchase Store Credit link. From there, you will have access to our Purchase Store Credit page, where you have the option to select an existing value. A custom amount feature is also present. First, select the custom amount, and then in the field below, you can enter your desired amount in increments of $10. You can request a full refund of any unused store credit. Confirm that your contact information is correct, along with the dollar amount. Then proceed to checkout. Lastly, you'll select PayPal or debit credit card for which the store credit will be transferred from. And there you go. You are now ready to begin collecting on COMC.com.